Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add an advance payment in Zoho Books step by step. First, go to Sales and then Payments Received. Click the plus New button in the top right corner. At the top of the page, select the Customer Advance tab. Here, you'll fill in all the required details like the customer name, place of supply, description of supply, the amount received, applicable tax, payment date, payment mode, deposit account, reference number, and any notes. You can also attach files and even notify your customer via SMS if you've enabled notifications. Once everything's filled in, click Save. After recording the advance, you can apply it to outstanding invoices. Go back to Payments Received, select the advance, and click Apply to Invoice. Enter the amount to credit for each invoice and hit Save. If you need to edit or delete payments applied to invoices, simply go to the advance, scroll to the Payments section, and use the Edit or Delete options. You can also refund an advance if needed. Select the advance, click More, then Refund, enter the amount, full or partial, and save. The refunded amount is recorded at the bottom, or you can download it as a PDF, print, edit, or delete it. And that's it. You've successfully managed customer advances in Zoho Books. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss more Zoho Books tutorials.